If your T-Mobile gateway, like the Nokia 5G21 or Arcadian KVD21, is stuck on the loading screen, the first step is understanding why. This often happens during boot up, firmware updates, or when the T-Mobile app interacts with the gateway. Common causes include software glitches, corrupted data, or less frequently hardware issues. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug the device and wait 30 seconds. This resolves about 60% of cases. First, clear the T-Mobile app's cache. On your phone, go to Settings, Apps, find the T-Mobile app, and choose to clear the app cache. If clearing the cache fails, reinstall the T-Mobile app entirely. If neither step works, perform a gateway reset. Start with a soft reset by rebooting through the app or web interface at 192.168.12.1. T-Mobile has introduced a smart reset feature in their app, which automates the process, potentially saving you time. Be sure to avoid unofficial modifications to the gateway, which can void the warranty.